to the Dark Lord. I know I will be dead long before you read this, but I want you to know that it was I who discovered your secret. I have stolen the real Horcrux and intend to destroy it as soon as I can. I face death in the hope that when you meet your match, you will be mortal once more. R.A.B.
Ah, yes. Regulus Black. No doubt know of his older brother Sirius died a few weeks ago.
Now is the climax to the story that gives the demons and angels purpose. They fly around while we are walking and mold our emotions just to please them. I am cold, can you hear? I will know no fear. And the ground touch my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet
I don't like clouds and feathers.
sing. All we are is an isle of flightless birds. We find our worth in giving birth and stuff.
Right.
We're learning our hopes and finding hopes, and we think the going is tough. We pick songs to sing, remind us of things that nobody
is
cares
Sirius
about.
Black.
And honestly,
What's
we're
past
probably
is
more
past.
suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think's wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll begin to wish you were sleeping. Your weeping will creep in your
Speak
head
up,
and
boy,
you'll
it'll hurt
cry.
his feelings.
When we wake up every morning and decide what we believe, we can take apart our
Really?
very heart, and the light will set us free.
Why don't you run along and play with your chemistry set?
I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no fear. And the ground touch my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet as
I lived the life that you preached.
I taught the whole Black family, except Sirius. It's a shame. Talented boy. I got Regulus when he came along, of course, but I'd have liked the set.
I am everything that you were too afraid to be.
Regulus Arcturus Black.
R.A.B.
I did my waiting! 12 years of it! In Azkaban!
And I will be dead long before you read this. I have stolen the real Horcrux and intend to destroy it. R.A.B. is Sirius's brother.
Yes.
It's fake. Open it.
R.A.B.
Dunno. But whoever they are, they have the real Horcrux. Which means it was all a waste. All of it.